Hello! Pickings from fruiting and pod-producing vegetables such as beans and tomatoes are coming thick and fast right now. But as summer wanes, both the quantity of what you pick and how often you are able to pick it will begin to tail off. So keeping these productive staples cropping for longer is the aim of the game. Here then are 6 top tips to keep those pickings coming. The first rule with any fruit or pod-producing vegetable is to keep up with the picking. Leave those zucchinis or courgettes to swell into marrows, and you'll inadvertently slow the initiation of new flowers and fruits. Beans will also stop producing more pods if the existing ones are left to ripen to biological maturity. By forming seeds, the plants will have completed their life cycle and will have no reason to continue flowering. Check plants every couple of days and remove fruits and pods before they get too large or overripe. And if you're heading away from home for more than a week, encourage your neighbours to harvest them. They'll get free food and you'll come home to more pickings. All vegetables need water, but fruit and pod-producing vegetables are particularly thirsty. Water-stressed plants quickly slow down. Aim to water regularly for consistent soil moisture, which will encourage plenty of well-formed pods and fruits, free of problems such as blossom end rot. It will also avoid the annoyance of fruit splitting, which happens when they have dried out too much, then receive a sudden deluge of water. Don't scrimp on feeding your crops. Continue watering a suitable organic liquid fertiliser onto the likes of tomatoes, peppers and eggplants or aubergine. Feeding plants costs money, but it does mean more fruits of better quality, so the investment is well worth it. Or why not make your own liquid feed from fast-growing, nutrient-rich plants such as comfrey? Mulches of organic material applied earlier in the season may now be looking a little scant. Top up mulches with new material. Straw that's free of seeds is a great mulch for many fruit-bearing crops, including of course strawberries. It's naturally full of potassium, which fruit and pod-bearing plants love. Grass clippings are a ready-to-hand source of instant mulch too, and will help to keep plant roots cool and moist in hot, dry weather. Strong growth over the summer months can mean that taller plants cast shade where they didn't before, compromising crops that need plenty of direct sunlight. Consider cutting back overhanging foliage and act promptly to remove spent crops so that those remaining enjoy plenty of sunshine and good air circulation. In cooler climates, now may be the time to wash off or remove any greenhouse shading to trap more of the late summer sunshine. Later on in the season, stragglers can be encouraged to keep producing for a week or two longer by adding the thermal comfort of a floating row cover or horticultural fleece. Remove covers during the day to enable pollination, then replace it in the evening to provide a little warmth and protection against lower temperatures. None of these techniques is exactly rocket science, but by applying each, you'll almost certainly be able to eke out more from your fruiting and pod-producing vegetables, and others for that matter. How do you keep the pickings coming? You can let us know by dropping us a comment below. We love sharing handy gardening tips through our videos, and we offer something for gardeners of all levels, so if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you do so before you leave us today. I'll catch you next time.